Hi, this is Dirk from V&V Auto Sales, and today we're showing you our 86 Chevy K10. It's got actually what it has for paint is vinyl. It's an 87 colors wrap, so kind of a neat idea. As you can see, it's got some hail dents on the hood there. We're just getting a few raindrops right now. Good tread on the tires, automatic hubs. But yeah, this is a vinyl wrap. The whole thing's a vinyl wrap, just so you know. Interior's in good shape, really missing one cover over there. They did a headliner. This is a cover lay over the top, but they did a good job. I'm missing one cover over here, but we'll try to get them. So carpet's probably been put in at one time. So see, the truck was originally light blue, that color. Bed liner in it. Said rally wheels, just a good driver quality truck. Like I said, this is all vinyl, so obviously this didn't stick. We're gonna try to re-stick it on here, and then we got to re-put one on the tailgate, just so you know. We try to be as transparent as we can, show you everything we know about them. That's why I'm telling you it's a wrap. Otherwise you get it and you're gonna say, well, that ain't paint. And you're right, it ain't paint, it's a wrap. So you can see it's just primer underneath. So Montana truck, nice dry truck, no rust issues. So you know, it's pretty cool this way. So something different. And if you want to change it sometime, you can take the wrap off and put on or paint it back to the 86 colors, whatever you want. But nice affordable square body, 305 automatic, I believe, in this one. So an air also. Any questions? 605-695-7391. Also watch our running and driving video.